Good morning, boys. It's January 10th. Today's Old Testament portion was on Abraham going to find a wife for Isaac, and a fairly unique method for doing that, sending his servant to go look and find Rebecca eventually, and the conversations that happened there, and fairly interesting, strange way of looking at it, I guess. But just keep it short today. I just thought I'd tell you boys that your mother and I have prayed for wives for all of you as well. We don't know how the Lord will bring it about in your life, maybe in a strange way, but probably not as strange as what we saw with Abraham and what he's doing with Isaac, his son, and Rebecca. But we are definitely praying for you guys for a good wife. That is something that is such a blessing to have a wife that serves the Lord, wants to follow after the Lord, who loves you and wants to provide the kind of thing that only a wife can provide in life. And so I pray that for you guys a lot, that the Lord would direct you to make good decisions concerning a future wife for you, that you would meet that person at the right time, and that you would not be in a hurry and not want to rush the process too much, but trust that the Lord would provide the right person at the right time for you. So we are praying that for you guys. I also think it's interesting that the New Testament portion thing today was right after the Sermon on the Mount, and it shows Jesus going and healing a couple of people and talking about their faith. And um, there's a bit of a contrast there because the end of the sermon said that after he finished teaching them, that they were astonished at his teaching because he was teaching as one who had authority and not like one of their scribes or their authorities. The different kinds of reactions that happen. There are people who walk away astonished and don't know what to do with it. Maybe are amazed or impressed, but then walk away and don't make a decision as to what to do in following the Lord. And then you have those others who are contrasted, those who are coming to him in faith and asking for healing, and Jesus marvels at their faith and commends them for it. So faith involves more than hearing, obviously. It involves putting it into practice, and that's what Jesus was talking about at the end of that sermon too, is that the wise man is the one who hears the word and does what it says, right? And it's like building a house on a rock on a firm foundation. So just a couple of thoughts for today on January 10th. Love you boys, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow, Lord willing.